At first I thought it wouldn't work because it looked a little rough and wore out. But it worked perfectly. So I give it 5 stars lol. Also super easy to install. Easy to install. Literally took 3 minutes to replace and works perfectly. My old girl is running like new. Very pleased with purchase. It works great for my old Roomba. Just removed a few screws with a Phillips screwdriver and the new brush motor dropped right in. Tightened a few screws and this started working right away. Even came with new brush so that was A+. Fits my Roomba 650. Fit perfect. Simple to replace. Works great. Fit and works great. Click link in description for more reviews.